Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you where the impact sensors that are located in my Honda Civic. So in case you have to work on it, there's two side impact sensors. So I was trying to figure out where they are. So this one right here, if you see it right there, this one impact sensor, that's by the close to the forward door, and behind the rear door there's the other right here. So it's right there. You see where the rear wheel is, right behind here. So if you have to disconnect it, just grab this black cover right here and just slide it back, and we go out. And here we go out. You see, and then push it out, and you can remove it. Let's see if I can do this one. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. You see how easy it is? So if you like this video, please hit the like button. So take care.